In this tutorial, I will show you that how you can fix Roblox low memory warning on mobile in just few steps. So let's dive right in. It's a very easy process to do. For the first step, you can open Roblox and you can try to play a game here. I'm playing this game here. Then, if you click on that Roblox icon that's showing left upper side, you will see this tab here. You need to open settings, and here if you scroll it down, here you will get this graphics mode. You need to try to change it to automatic, and then you can try to play a game. If it's still showing error, what you can do is open again this settings, change this graphic mode to manual, and turn on this reduce motion, and you can also decrease its graphic quality by just clicking on this minus icon. You can set it to 3 or 1. I'm decreasing it to 1, and then you can try to play a game here. If it's still showing you error, then close this game and open this more section and scroll it down. Open settings. From here you need to open this privacy and content restrictions, then open communication from here and open this experience chat. You need to change it to no one, then click back, and from this game if you scroll it down you will see here this servers. Open it, it will show you the list of all servers. You can open this descending and change it to ascending. Here you will find the servers with minimum number of people. Like this server has one of 8 people max. You can simply join it. It may also help you to fix this Roblox low memory warning on mobile. So these were the fixes to fix Roblox low memory warning on mobile in just few steps.